Let's dive into our juice-making journey at Ocean Spray.
Ron Belcher, and I am the plant director here at Ocean Spray. So the company began in 1930 when 3 cranberry farmers got together and decided that they wanted to turn their cranberries into juice and cranberry sauce.
My name is Ron Cherie Hawkins. I'm the blend lead. My favorite part of working at Ocean Spray is working with the people and the work-friendly, family-like atmosphere.
My name is Edwin Suarez, and I am a subject matter expert at Ocean Spray. My favorite part about working at Ocean Spray is the culture and the people that are here.
My name is Hector Vasquez, and I am a packaging technician. Knowing that I can continue to grow my skills and knowing that there is an endless ladder of growth opportunity, I think that's what's pretty cool about Ocean Spray.
And I think manufacturing is very interesting because it's always about innovating and figuring out how to do something better.
Zachariah Dieter, production support. I just like to learn how the new machines work and react to the way we work and react on the floor.
I think that students should consider getting a career in manufacturing due to the endless possibilities that you have here.
And you can jump in and you can learn something and then find out what you like and grow with that.
Manufacturing jobs are everywhere, and having that type of experience and skill set will almost guarantee you a job anywhere.
I think students should consider jobs in manufacturing because manufacturing is very dynamic in that you're taking a raw material and you're turning it into a product.
A friend of mine, I didn't know anything about manufacturing because I was really into sports and stuff like that. A friend of mine told me about manufacturing, how cool it was to actually work in manufacturing. And I just gave it a try, and I've been here ever since.
My father worked in manufacturing, and he guided me to get a job in production.
Well, I started here as an intern in high school, went through co-op. At Votech, I took the electromechanical class, so a lot of the foundations that I needed in this position that I'm in now, I learned in high school.
That is a close to our juice-making journey.